want to swallow you. Day by day, the devil is looking for how to swallow you up. I thank God for his power that's always swallowed up the power of the devil. Do you remember what happened in the palace of Pharaoh? Do you remember what happened in the palace of Pharaoh?
Yes.
What happened? You say yes. What happened? Tell us. Just say it. You don't need to lift up your hand. Just tell us what happened.
There was person of the half-gods with magician and Moses.
What happened? Very simple.
They showed the power of God. The snake of Moses swallowed the snakes of the magicians.
The snake of Moses swallowed up the snake of the magician. Finish. The anointing of God over your life is not for decoration. It's to swallow up what they've been assigned to swallow you. It's to disgrace what they've been assigned to disgrace you. It's to kill what they've been assigned to kill you. It's to bury that what they've been assigned to bury you. That's why you cannot live a weakling Christian life. That's why you cannot joke when you come being on your knee to commune with the Lord your God. You can't joke with the spiritual matters. You have to be serious when it comes to spiritual things in your life. Wherever you are, whether you are traveling, you are in a hotel, you are in a plane, wherever you are, make sure that the fire or prayer is not quenched on your altar. If you are sitting on your seat in a flight, there on your seat you can raise an altar to the Lord. You pray. So you are landing wherever you are landing, because you are announced, hey, we are about to land. You are also taking authority over that environment, over that country. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. When you know how to command the elements, they will hear you and they will work for you. In the hotel where you are going to sleep, you command that room. That is, the bed will not be the bed. You will not sleep on that bed to be the sleep of death. This bed will not lie on you, it will become my bed of death. Some of the spies that were sent by Moses, they told Moses that the land went to spice the land that swallowed its inhabitants. If you are stepping to that place, your first step is to step into that place. You command that place that you may be swallowing your inhabitant. You will not swallow me. I used to tell our pastors, if you must be successful in that environment where you are, you have to do what others, pastors in that environment, are not doing. The secret of victory in the life of Daniel was his prayerful life. He prayed 3 times a day. I don't know how many times you pray. That's between you and God. Even when he heard that a law was made, he went into his house, opened his curtain, knelt down, and he prayed. It was his tradition. That's why the lion did not eat him up. They were assigned to swallow up Daniel, but something greater padlocked their mouth. So lion, don't eat now. You have a nice breakfast tomorrow. Because the wicked, the way they will say, he will dig a pit to fall into it. That's a principle. That's what God says. It's not a man that you should lie. I remember a lady one time called me from Swabok. She was being accused that she took the money. I asked her, is it true? Because if you ask me to pray, I'll just pray, and if it is true, you'll be in trouble. So, no, Pastor, I'm telling you the truth. She was even taken through polygraphic test. That machine used to detect whether a person is lying or telling the truth. Everything went out clear. I told her, don't be afraid, even if you have to be taken to court, don't be afraid. You will not be the first person to be taken to court, you will not be the last person to be taken to court. We pray according to Isaiah 54 verse 17. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Any time that rises against you, judgment shall condemn it. For that Celeste is a child of the living God. As we prayed, when the meeting was called, her accusers were found guilty and they were fired. He would dig a pit, will fall into it. He would dig a pit, will fall into it. Amen. That's why you need to know your God. Those are three Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in the fiery furnace. They were killed. They just can't cross the fire. They were killed. They were mixed. That's what we call divine substitution. Divine what?
Substitution.
Divine substitution. Divine substitution. It's a mystery that you need to understand. There are people that have to die on your behalf.
Amen.
You were supposed to die, but God said, no. Let the wicked die in the place of my child. Your business is supposed to go down. God said, never. My child that's so faithful in his tithing and offering, he cannot go down. The wicked one can go down. In yesterday's paper, I saw a man, he said, I think 250,000 or 450. He said the money got bent because he kept the money in his flat waiting for the next day to go and bank the money. The flat bent down. The money bent down. So I look at the man and say, yes, he pays, that is his tithe. Yes. It will burn down. Who knows? Maybe he's a born-again Christian. He doesn't tithe. You look at I made 2 million and you say I must take the whole 200,000 to the church. I can't enrich the pastor. You are not enriching the pastor, enriching yourself. It's an agreement between you and God. It's not between, it's nothing to do with the pastor. You know, the pastor, when you give him money, he also has to give tithe. One time I was teaching like that in the radio, that everyone's supposed to give his tithe. Someone will come and say, we were listening to the radio when you were teaching about how to prosper in the Lord. And there's some pastor I was with. He said, no, I can't give the tithe. I'm a pastor. I'm the one used to receive the pastor, the tithe. But the Bible says even Levi that used to receive the tithe, he paid the tithe when he was still in his father's loin, when Abraham met Melchizedek. Nobody is exempted from tithing. Nobody. 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 Nobody is exempted. Nobody. Nobody, no Christian, whether you're a preacher or not a preacher, whether you are the one that receives the tithe or you are the one, nobody is exempted. That's why you see a lot of poor pastors. They don't tithe. They don't tithe. That's why they become too tight. They die financially. A lot of poor ministries, they don't tithe. They die, their finances become too tight. One time the Lord opened my wife's eye. He saw some ministry have a lot of money. They were packed in those green municipality bins. But you know what? The money, they were a lot, yet they were rotten. Rotten. As long as the money is not being invested in advancing the kingdom of God, no matter how much they have in the church account, It's rotten. It's useless. It cannot do anything. It cannot do anything. Praise the Lord. The power of God upon you, the wisdom of God upon you, is to swallow what has been assigned to swallow you up. Every scripture you are receiving from the Lord, every word you are receiving from the Lord, is to empower you, or is to swallow up what has been assigned to swallow you up. When the Lord said, "I'm the Lord that healeth thee," that word is to swallow up sickness in your life. By the stripes of Jesus, we are healed. That scripture is to swallow up sickness in your life. I shall not die but live. That scripture is to swallow up death in your life. Whatever you lay hands to shall prosper. That scripture is to swallow up failure in your life. When I step the sole of your feet, you will possess a place. That scripture is to swallow up stagnancy in your life. I used to tell my wife, no, she's my friend, my girl. Amen. I say, there are principles of God. Principle of seeing. As far as you can see, you will possess that place. The enemy will try to kill your vision. As long as you cannot see, you cannot possess what you cannot see. Principles of laying your hand on something, or that is doing something. As long as you are not doing anything, forget about prospering. There's a principle of declaration. You will also decree a thing, it shall be established. You can't say you want to win, yet you are declaring failure. You are talking about failure. You are talking about impossible. How impossible it is. How the doors are closed. You can't experience open doors. And there are principles of stepping or walking over. Wherever you step the sole of your foot, you possess that place. Different kinds of principles of success. Every scripture God gave to you is to swallow up what want to swallow you. He said in Isaiah 43, verse 1, fear not. That statement, fear not, is meant to swallow up fear in you, or else fear will swallow you up. Or else fear will swallow you up. Philippians 4 verse 4. Rejoice in the Lord. And again I say rejoice. That scripture is meant to swallow up sorrow in your life. I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. That scripture is meant to swallow up any thought of impossibility in your life, or any mentality of impossibility in your life. Instead of thinking, I don't think I can able to do this one, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. My God will supply all your needs according to his riches in glory. Is meant to swallow up any sense of lack in your life. Ephesians 3:20. God is able to do exceeding abundantly more than what we ask, more than what we think. It's meant to swallow up. Looking at the prayer I pray is too small. The thought I thought about what God will do is too small. It's meant to swallow up any human limitation in your mind. Like the earth opened her mouth and it swallowed up the water which the serpent spewed against the woman. It all started in Revelation 12, from verse 7. So what broke out in heaven? It all started from there. It all started from there. That's how the serpent was defeated, cast out. It was a Lord crying, woe to the inhabitant of earth and the sea. For the dragon has come with a great rage, for you know that he has but a very short time to live. You know why the devil is fighting you? You know, it's because he was in heaven. You know how glorious heaven is, how wonderful heaven is. And now he had lost that place. So he came down on this earth where there are sorrow, sickness, and all kind of trouble. And he knows that as a born-again child of God, you are on your way to heaven. He's so envious. He's what? He's so envious. He's so envious. He knows his place is hell. And your place is heaven. He lost a glorious place, and you are on your way into a glorious place. That's why he's putting up a stiff resistance to make sure that he will not let you enter that glorious place. He will not let you have that abundant life. That's why he came to the Garden of Eden. After he was cast out of the heaven, he came to the Garden of Eden. Many of us, we don't know that the book of Job is the first book. Amen. But we look at the Genesis, the first one, yes. Or now the Genesis is the first book in the Bible. But the first book of the Bible is the book of Job. Praise the Lord. You are so envious. You are so envious. He is still envious. That's why he's fighting you. That's why he's trying, every moment he's trying to put doubt in your mind. If he sees that you are holding on to what God told you, he will come and say, no, it's not really like, it will not even like that. Because he's seeking for your downfall. He's seeking to swallow you up. Seeking to swallow you up. Seeking to swallow you up. Can you finish that revelation up to verse 17? Verse 17 is the last one, right?
Yes, sir. I should start from the 15th.
Yeah, just continue.
Okay. But the earth.
Let's start from verse 13. Sorry.
Now, when the dragon saw that he had been cast to the earth,
when the dragon saw that he had been cast to the earth,
he persecuted the woman.
He persecuted the woman
who gave birth to the male child.
Who gave birth to the male child? Who gave birth to Jesus?
But the woman,
the Jesus that caused his defeat on the cross of Calvary. Colossians 2:14 and 15. Christ has wiped away the evil handwriting of ordinance authority against us. He took it out of the way and he nailed on the cross. Then on the cross he made an open spectacular, and he triumphed over the power of darkness. The devil is defeated openly for us.
Amen.
But he doesn't want you to know. And if you know, he doesn't want you to believe. He doesn't want you to abide by it.